Although a well-built, security-focused WordPress website can substantially aid the website security, all hardening efforts could become ineffective if regular maintenance is ignored. And that's why this lesson on regular security measures is an important addition to our course, WordPress Security for Website Owners. And to check out more lessons in this course, click the playlist here. No matter how tough you harden security, regular measures must be actively maintained when discussing WordPress security.
And that's because constant bug fixes and security patches are released daily for WordPress software, plugins, and themes. Security flaws are part of the open source nature of WordPress, along with the level of access plugins and themes have over the website. Therefore, the sooner you address these, the better. It's best to receive this maintenance from a website professional with a website care plan or maintenance plan. This is not a free service, as the ongoing attention requires time and resources. This lesson will review those important pieces of a website maintenance or care plan, so you can seek out a professional who provides these or handles the steps in-house with your own staff. Use a worksheet from this lesson to follow along and make notes.
The first regular security measure is to update WordPress's core files, plugins, and themes.
Yes, the WordPress core software is frequently updated to fix any bugs or issues. If you are not running the latest version of WordPress, you may be easy targets for hackers. WordPress updates can be manual or automatic, like through GoDaddy's WordPress maintenance solutions. Some updates are minor updates for security fixes, and some are major updates that bring new features and improvements.
It's rare that a WordPress core update will affect the functionality of your website if the version is relatively current. You'll see the biggest changes in the admin if your website hasn't been updated in the past year or more.
When WordPress core is updated, reliable themes and plugins also release their updates to adapt as necessary. Assess whether your plugins and themes are regularly updated to their latest versions to avoid related security issues, let alone performance conflicts.
The next regular step is to remove unused plugins and themes. As WordPress websites grow and change, some installed plugins and older themes become obsolete. Even if they are not active, there is a potential for their files to be hacked.
And it's smart to keep the website hosting server clean and remove those unused plugins or themes. If there's a plugin or theme you paid for that you want to save for later, it's better to store them on a hard drive or in the cloud rather than in WordPress. In that same way, deactivate any plugins you are no longer using. That also reduces the potential for plugin conflicts.
A critical security measure is to have a full backup. Regular, preferably daily, backups help to ensure the website can be restored if something goes wrong. Daily backups have become a regular feature on quality web hosting. However, it's always good to have a second backup system. Right? Even better is to take a backup and store it offsite in the cloud.
If you have an e-commerce website, more frequent real-time backups are worth the investment to ensure restoring a website doesn't compromise order data. In addition, you should also run regular security and performance scans. These scans should alert you to any unusual results, allowing you to address them immediately. You can even use a website monitoring service like GoDaddy Website Security to scan your site for malware and other vulnerabilities regularly.
What if your website is hacked?
Well, calling your web host is probably the best first step, as they have all the tools to advise you on options. The simplest solution, if you've been taking regular backups, is just to have one restore.
If the website becomes infected with malware, you can use dedicated tools found in GoDaddy's website security plans to find and help remove malware from your site.
And working with a WordPress website professional on a website care plan can alleviate the stress around the situation and you trying to handle it all yourself.
Yeah, some WordPress vulnerabilities can be detected and prevented with the use of a free or upgraded security plugin. Many premium security plugins will provide firewall and bot protection that your hosting provider may not offer. And these security plugins work daily to help stop attacks and are integral to the regular security measures needed on frequently visited websites.
These plugins can also have a feature to prevent hacks by regularly changing your WordPress security keys. Security keys are how WordPress encrypts passwords, making them more challenging to hack. The keys are stored in the wp-config.php file and can be updated manually if you are not using the security plugins. Regenerating keys will log anyone out of the website and force them to log in again.
All these methods can be done regularly for you by a website professional if you have a website care plan or a maintenance plan. Otherwise, educate yourself on these methods and devise a process with your in-house team and make it a monthly task.